Hey there, Mike Fujihira here with William Ryan Homes. I'm coming to you from one of the basements of our model homes. This is the model home in Woods Farm in Madison, Wisconsin. But what I'm about to kind of show off here a little bit is actually some different construction quality that we include in all of our William Ryan homes that we build here in the state of Wisconsin. So feel free and give it a look, and hope you enjoy. What we're looking at here is one of the ducts that are connected to the HVAC system. As you can see in this video, all spaces where air may be escaping are taped and sealed. We do this on all William Ryan homes in conjunction with a third-party test that comes in and makes sure that the tape is doing what it should. In the picture that you just saw, when there's no tape, all that it's doing is leading to inefficiencies within your system, which means higher utility bills for you and less longevity of your mechanicals. Closed cell foam is so important to your home's insulation, especially in these very hard to insulate box sill spaces. As you can see, we have a batt insulation that's covering up the closed cell foam. But if we didn't have closed cell foam behind it, much like what many other builders do, you can see all the space where there wouldn't be any insulation or any ceiling at all. We are also the only builder in Wisconsin that does this foam both in the basement, between the basement and the first floor, as well as upstairs if you have a two-story home, between the first floor and the second floor. Not only does this make sure that you have clean air in your home because you don't have any air infiltration coming in from outside, but it also insulates and makes sure that you're not having air escaping in terms of your heating or cooling. Steel beams may not be one of the most attractive things in your new William Ryan home. However, they may be one of the most important. All William Ryan homes come complete with steel support beams in the basement versus a wood manufactured product like you just saw in the image before. Let me ask you, what would you rather have supporting your entire home, steel or wood? And on top of that, when you use a steel beam, you're able to have a much wider span between the vertical supports, like what you're seeing here in this video. So rather than having 2 or maybe even 3 vertical steel posts that would completely destroy your usable basement space here, when you have a steel beam, like you will in your new William Ryan home, you're able to space them out much further, which makes for a much better basement layout with much more open space, just like you're seeing here. Well, thanks for giving that a watch. Let us know in the comments below any thoughts, comments, or questions that you have. Also, too, feel free and visit us at www.williamryanhomes.com to either continue the conversation or learn more about all the different construction benefits that come in your brand new William Ryan home.